The LEGO Classic Medium Creative Brick Box 10696 offers endless building possibilities for kids and adults alike, ages 4 to 99. This versatile set includes a variety of bricks to create fun builds like a train, car, and tiger figure. Complete with a handy storage box, it encourages imaginative play and creativity. Perfect for young builders or experienced LEGO enthusiasts, this set provides hours of fun while developing motor skills and problem-solving abilities. The LEGO Icons Orchid Artificial Plant, 10311, is a beautiful and intricate building set designed for adults. Part of the botanical collection, this set allows you to create a stunning, lifelike orchid display, perfect for home decor. It makes a thoughtful and unique gift for birthdays, anniversaries, or any special occasion. With its elegant design and detailed flowers, this set is ideal for plant lovers or LEGO enthusiasts seeking a creative and relaxing project. The LEGO Disney Stitch Toy Building Kit, 43,249, is a delightful set for kids aged 9 and up, perfect for fans of the hit movie Lilo. The LEGO Icons Wildflower Bouquet Set, 10,313, is a stunning addition to the botanical collection, designed for adults who love creative home decor. Featuring vibrant artificial flowers such as poppies and lavender, this unique set allows you to build your own everlasting bouquet. Perfect as a decorative piece for any room, this LEGO set makes a thoughtful and artistic gift for special occasions. Bring the beauty of nature indoors with this elegant and customizable floral display. The LEGO Icons Tiny Plants Building Set, 10,329, is a delightful addition to the botanical collection, perfect for flower and plant lovers. This set allows you to build and display a variety of tiny plants, including cacti, carnivorous plants, tropical, and arid flora. Ideal as a unique decor piece, this creative building set offers a fun and relaxing experience for adults. Whether for yourself or as a gift, it's a beautiful way to bring nature-inspired decor into any space.